Hey everybody, ArmorComics here with another unboxing. This is the Marvel Collector Core Deadpool. It's got Deadpool on the cover, on the top, and that's about all there is on the box. So I'll just jump right in and go ahead and open it up here. And with the collector cores, we have the standard red comic print on the inside, which I always enjoy. And you can see we've got the Marvel Collector Core patch and the pin that comes standard in pretty much all the boxes. So let's take a look at the Deadpool patch. Open this right up. That's a pretty cool patch. I like that. Deadpool with his swords. And then we've got the pin as well. Whoop. There we go. Take a look at that. Nice thick pin too, very heavy. Got some good weight to it, looks nice. One of these days I'm going to have to find a place to put these pins because I haven't really figured out where I'm going to put them yet. Okay, and let's see what else is in the box here. I haven't opened this box up, so I have no idea what's inside. I don't look at any of the other unboxings because it spoils it for me, so... Okay, we have we have a t-shirt, and I order always an extra large, and if I ever decide to, I can always shrink them down. Let's see what we've got here. So we've got Deadpool on the cover, and then Marvel at the bottom. Nothing on the sleeves, and nothing on the back. This is pretty cool. This is a nice shirt. I really like this one. Nice black background with the bullets all around. Very cool. Very cool. I like this one. Okay, and we have next we have a comic book. Let's open this one up. So it's Marvel Collector Core World's Greatest Comic Magazine Deadpool, #1 variant edition. Don't need that. And he's got the chimichangas on the cover. Pretty cool. I like that. Like that. So this looks like a lot of fun. I'm gonna have to read through this as well. Try to get through some of the comic books that I have right now. I'm not really reading a whole lot of them. Right now I'm just reading the Stephen King graphic novels for the Dark Tower. That's kind of what I'm reading now because I like the book so much. So let's see. This is what's left in the box. Okay. Next, we have the Marvel Collector Core Deadpool 123 exclusive Marvel Collector Core, and it is the bobblehead Deadpool leaping. Oh, and it comes with a little stand in there. Let's see what that guy looks like. Oh, nice. Let's see if I can set this up here. Not knocking anything over. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's really nice. And I like the swords, I like the pose. And looks like it's attached on the back. Somehow, I'm not going to try to take it off. That's nice. That's really cool. Yeah, I like that one. I like that one a lot. And just put him back inside. Okay, let's see what else we have. And we've got a Mopies plush. I've seen these. This is Deadpool with the black and red uniform. Nice, very cute. You can see it fits in this. It fits in my hand. That's about how big it is. And it is a Marvel Collector Core exclusive. It looks like from Funko. Nice. I like that little guy. It's cute. And finally, we have the Deadpool, the Dorbs, which I've also seen. The exclusive Marvel Collector Core Deadpool exclusive. The vinyl collectible number 88. So I guess 86 is with the pirate hat, and 87 is the chef. So this is the Deadpool cowboy. Let's see what he looks like. Oh, nice! And he's got his little horsey there, with his cowboy hat and his uniform, and his uniform. I was gonna say costume, but I think when he wears it, it's kind of like a uniform. Nice. See his head move. Yeah, his head rotates. Very cool. I like Deadpool. So this is a fun box for me. I like the little horsey. That's very cute. Alright, so that was the unboxing for the Marvel Collector Core Deadpool box. Everybody, thanks for watching. I've got the Captain America Civil War box is going to be coming up next, so stay tuned for that. And I've mentioned this before, and I'll put the link here. I've got some collectible boxes I have up on sale on eBay. It's got some Batman figures, some Marvel figures, some mystery mini boxes. I think you guys should check out. I've got 4 items, 4 boxes up on eBay right now. If you want to check out my website, it's ArmorComics and Collectibles.weebly.com, and from there you can get to eBay, you can get to Facebook, you can get to YouTube where I put up all my videos. But I'll put the link down here for ArmorComics, the Weebly site. So yeah, the items I have up on eBay. In fact, let me show you one of the boxes. You know, I've got one of the boxes here, ArmorComics and Collectibles. And again, it's for adults. And you know, if you've got some kids who are into into some of the collectibles and stuff, you know. Or you know, you've got nephews or nieces or whatever, you know, I think this will be great for them. So check it out. You know, they're varying prices for the boxes, and each one comes with a free magnet. So again, you know, check out my Weebly site, and then through that you can check out the eBay site where I have them all for sale. And it's just a way for me to give to provide some cool, you know, collectibles. stuff that I'm getting through here, it's fun little collectibles that I want to be able to provide to you guys, or to provide to people who like these subscription boxes. So anyways, check it out. And so thanks for watching my video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.